Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over this August Lock app tutorial. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and learn how to use the August app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you're going to go ahead and open up the August app. And so once you open up the August app, this is what it's going to look like. So you have a variety of different buttons and menus here. So if you click on the hamburger icon in the upper left-hand corner, you'll be able to see the store, subscriptions, and set up a device. So normally the first thing that you want to do is actually go ahead and set up a device. And so with this, you simply just find the QR code on your August app, position the QR code in front of the camera, and you go ahead and scan and follow the on-screen prompts. Now, once you have your August Lock actually connected, you can create a home kit for it. So this right here is my home. And as you can see, my August app is currently locked. But if I were to click that red button, it would go ahead and unlock. And so on this screen here, you have a variety of different options. So you have the actual August lock. Then the next button is your activity. So this is the history of your August lock actually opening and unlocking. And then the next tab is your guest list. So these are people who actually have access to your August app. Now, in order to invite someone, you just click on invite, and then you can invite them via their mobile number or their contact. So whichever one you choose, just make sure that they have the August app actually installed as well. And then the next app is the settings app for the house. So for here, you could actually edit your house name. You can edit the house owners. You can see your lock settings. So you can adjust your lock settings. And with that, you can also go ahead and make their sounds and smart alerts and all these other factory sets. And so that right there is the best and easiest way that I know to actually go ahead and explain how to use the August Lock app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.